Good morning, take two. I gotta get a better tripod stand. Anyway, we're gonna do chest today. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. It doesn't look like on the weather map. We got about a 10% chance, but let's go ahead and start the warm up. And we're gonna do chest, so we're gonna start with some walking in place. Kind of bring your knees up if you can. And do like your chest pressing away from your body. I don't know if anybody felt that workout yesterday, but I'm feeling all the workouts. I'm not so sore I can't move, but I can tell I've been working out. I definitely feel a lot better. You know, when you start working out, when you very first start working out, probably don't feel so good. Feel pretty tired when it's over. Don't want to get up and go do it. Try to talk yourself out of it. But when you can push yourself past that point, then you can start looking forward to the workout, because you know it's going to make you feel so much better, have more energy, sleep better, be more flexible, more confidence and self-esteem. You're going to feel better about yourself, and then you will start to notice changes in your body. Our changes usually go from the bottom up and the top down. That's why you notice, first of all, around someone's face and their neck, probably their shoulders, chest, and then starts, maybe your feet are less swollen, your ankles start to get a little more defined, and then it works down. In the middle area is the hardest to change, but it'll come. You just don't give up. So we're gonna throw some across the body punches. So when you're gonna do your punches, twist your heel out. So you got your feet shoulder width apart, hands always stay up by your face, across the body, twist the heel. Because if you're gonna throw a punch, you're gonna throw your body into it. You're not gonna stand here with your feet and do this. Although there are some training workout videos that they will do that, but we're not. We're gonna act like we're really gonna throw our punches. Practice lifting and twisting the heel. Breathe. And don't do this. Really throw like you're gonna hit somebody. You find a target and aim for that same target. Pretend it's somebody's nose you don't like. It always helps me. Okay, let's reach across the body. Warming up, warming the waist. If you're a lady, you're probably not gonna like this workout. I'm just gonna tell you. We're gonna do some push-ups, different kinds of push-ups. And those are really hard for most women. They're hard for me. I worked out really hardcore every single day, lifting weights and doing everything for 3 years. And it took me 3 years. Really took me longer, because when I started like 8 years ago, I told y'all I couldn't even lift this part of my body. I had to just lift my chest off the ground. And then I would fall back down and then push it up again. And it took me all that time of working out to get to where I could do 10 push-ups on my toes. So it's hard for me, but I still do them because it's so good for you. So we're gonna start with working the middle of the chest. Put your hands like a triangle. If you need to be on your knees, I'm gonna show you again. You can be on your knees, your hands right here, butt goes down. But if doing this is, maybe you find that too easy, you can stretch your leg out. Touch this toe on the ground. Stay on your knee. And do your push-ups like that. So that's what I'm gonna try today, okay? We're gonna do 5. So ready? 1, elbows go out. 2, 3, 4. Oh God, 5. Woohoo! You can sit back, butt down, stretch your arms. Do 5 more, because I didn't like how far I didn't go down. Oh, the struggle. Okay. I'm happier with that. Okay, roll over on your back. We've done this one before. If you've done my other chest workout. Feet are planted, hip width apart. Put the weights in the middle of your chest. We're gonna press them up. Lead with the elbows. Support the weight over your wrist, over your elbow. Okay, you don't have to do this. Okay, you can open, pull the chest apart, lead with the elbows, support your wrists, come back up, come back down. That's gonna be one, all right? Don't rest your chest, don't rest your weights on your chest in between moves. Hold them up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, set your weights down. This is my second set, by the way. All right, we're gonna get back over, do some more push-ups. We're gonna do what they call a neutral push-up. So your hands are gonna be about the space of your shoulders. Keep your hands when you come down by your chest. I'm gonna see if I can do them with my one leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Child's pose. Walk the fingers out. All right, roll it over. This mat is all wet now because the humidity out here. Now I'm sweating. Okay, we're gonna do regular shoulder press. A chest press. Elbows out. Don't rest your elbows on the ground when you come down. Just keep them slightly above the ground. Don't rest in between. Okay, press them up. Ooh, stuff is stuck to me. Okay, ready? 1. And when you come out, stretch across the chest. Feel it. Just try to widen out. Pull through your elbows. 2. Pull. 3. You're not pushing, you're pulling. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, roll it back over. Now we're going to do the wide grip push-up. So hands are going to be out further than your shoulders. This is a lot harder for me, so I'm definitely doing this on my knees. Ready? Butt down. Elbows out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back into child's pose. Okay, let's roll it back over. You're gonna scoot your heels up as close as you can to your butt. You're gonna press through the heels. So you should be able to wiggle your toes. Raise the butt up, squeeze your legs, your butt, your lower abs. Lock it in place. We're gonna do another press, but this is gonna work the lower chest. So ready? Same thing, you're pulling, not pushing. You're pulling with your elbows. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, hold that butt up, 14, 15, you should feel this in your thighs too, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And if you can't get your heels that close to your body, do them here. Do them wherever you can get them. Work on bringing them back closer. Oh, all right. Roll it over. Let's do some cat-cow. Chin to the chest. Arch the back. Breathe. Bring your butt up. Arch your spine. Chin goes up. Breathe. Do it again. Arch it up. Head down. Child's pose. Okay, come up. Wash your feet, wash your hands. Ooh, come up slow, big deep breath. Exhale. Lock your fingers behind your back. Stretch the chest. Chin up. Pull them down. Pull the hands down as far as you can. And feel that chest stretching. Open up those shoulders. Release it. Head down. Chest back up. All right. Remember when I told you on the last one, put your hand on a wall or a chair, and you're going to use that to kind of lock it in place. And then you turn your body away. You're going to feel it stretching all through the chest and all down the arm. Other side, lock it in place, hold on to your chair or your wall, turn the body away, stretch right here across your chest. And breathe. Whew. I hope that is a good workout for you guys today. If you think you can do 3 sets, then repeat the video 3 times. Or build up to 2 and then do 3. Also, don't forget to kind of do a little bit of cardio in between when you're doing each set. You want to keep your body warm, keep your muscles warm so they're stretchy. You know, I was thinking about, you know, sometimes when you find a balloon in a bag and they're really thick, and no matter how many times you stretch them, you can't hardly blow them up. Sometimes that's how some of our muscles can be, especially like the back of your thighs and your hip flexors and things like that, because we don't stretch them very often. And so I got to where I could almost do the splits, you know, the front splits like this. And I can barely do hip flexor stretch at this point. So I need to be patient with myself and know that things like that are going to take a long time. They don't just happen overnight because you do a couple of videos, but just be patient with yourself. Don't give up. Be proud of what you've accomplished if you finish this video today, and if you repeat 2 sets, 3 sets, that's wonderful. I congratulate you. Please leave comments below and tell me if these videos are helping you, what you like most, maybe what you would like to see improved. I'm open for some kind feedback, and don't forget to like the video and maybe share it with your friends if you know somebody who might benefit from these videos, and help my channel grow, help support me as I take this new journey in my life. And so I appreciate all your time, and I appreciate all your effort, and it just really blesses my heart, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.